lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you're new to this channel, if today is your first time discovering this channel, oh my god, you are welcome, and I am so happy to have you here. And my name's Joy, and on this channel I'll be bringing you latest news and gists. And if you would like to see more videos from this channel, do go ahead and click on the red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. With that being said, let's get into the video.
And also, we that leave whatever we're doing, and we're here today in the street of Berlin on Friday to protest against
our leader, Mazen Namdekalo. I call him my supreme leader. Stands for liberty, stands for equity, stands for freedom. This is why you should join the race. Some of you that are like you are Bartimaeus, you want to come from the backyard. Come out now and be yourself. I can only advise you today. I decided to ignore my job and hundreds of us here just to be in Berlin.
Hundreds?
Yes.
We are
in thousands.
100,000 march.
Yes.
Here. A lot of people speaking.
Yes. So we are in our hundreds, over 100,000 here, just for our freedom. We don't need more. We don't need less. And our freedom is unnegotiable. You cannot negotiate. I was contemplating yesterday as I was walking. After 60 years, you want to boast of 4 years. You, those Igbo political jobbers. After 60 years, they now ask you that you are going to get presidency, and you are believing them. You are a fool. All our governors are fool. This is why I said this today. We don't have Igbo elites. We have only our political jobbers.
Jesus, BIAFRANS. Jesus, what are you talking about?
Talk to us, brother. Talk to us.
Brother, the thing is this, yeah? We can't allow these people to keep on killing us. They will kill us, they will take the money that belongs to us, and they will go to the bandits in the forest and give them the money. They will send Shekumi to give them money from our country. And you guys expect us to be quiet? We should be quiet?
No.
All we want is BIAFRA. And this demonstration just started. All they have to do is to release Mazen Namdekano unconditionally, because he's the voice of the whole BIAFRANS.
What are you going to tell the Efulefus that are fighting against
the Efulefus like Udele and all of them? I want to tell you guys that you are like when a cow is moving and one fly come and hold the cow and say you are not moving anywhere. So these Efulefus are a fly that is trying to hold a cow. So you cannot stop the agitation no matter what you do. So the Efulefus, there must be negative. Anything you do, there is negative and positive. So we shouldn't be distracted by these Efulefus. What you have to understand is that we are here to fight for Biafra, and when we die, if we die, our children will continue. So it doesn't matter what anybody do. Biafra must be restored.
What are you going to tell the people from the so-called South that believe in one Nigeria? But let me throw this for enlightenment. They say that Igbos are domineering, but they don't have a control of their oil. There is no single billionaires over there. What can you tell them?
The reason I will tell them is this, yeah? Let them just keep quiet. When there is referendum, then anybody can vote. Because they are just stupid. There's no way you can cure them their madness. So you just have to allow them. But I plead with them to just allow us to fight for our people. When we have referendum, then
when you say allowing them, are you saying that they should fight alongside with Nigeria, or they should just keep quiet?
They should just keep quiet, because they don't have anything to write home about. They don't have anything to show that they are the oil producing country. They don't have anything. They don't have school. They don't have roads.
Is it not better for them to wake up to join us on the struggle?
But they don't want. For me, my own personal opinion is that since they don't want to come, let them just leave us alone. Let them just stay. But they shouldn't put sand in our garret.
But is it not better? Is it not better for them to wake up from their slumber?
They're supposed to wake up from their slumber, but they refuse to do that. They refuse to do that. Mazen Namdekano have been educating them. Mazen Namdekano have been preaching and shouting, but they don't want to listen. They don't want to join the struggle. All they want is when Biafra come, then they will not come out. So I believe that the only thing is to leave them, but they should not put sand in our garden.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, BIAFRANS. You know, finally, Yes, it's a smile. Amusie, Yabriba Tupac himself, the president of the Biafran music industry. And I'm here with my brother. Like I told you people, since yesterday, I've been in Berlin. I've been in Berlin. And when we tell Nigeria, get ready, men up we mean what we said, and what we say mean us. It is either or either. Kenya, we are leaving from your embassy. We have made our message clear. The next time we will come back here is to come the next time. In fact, we don't need to come back next time again. You understand me? Therefore, keeping on. In fact, it is happening. Look at the long line in Germany. Men and women comes out. Men and women comes out. And they mean business. None is willing. You see, we from British embassy, we come to the Kenya embassy. We are still going back to British embassy. And from there, when we finish, all the whole media warrior, Biafran media warriors will come together. And then from there, we will hear from the media's report what transpired today, how we do it today, how we'll be able to conduct it, and then we will be able to let the BIAFRANS all over the world to understand that, yes, indeed, that the German IPOB, we have woken up full time.
Tell them what are police doing here?
Yes, as you can see now, you can even watch the police. This is what we are talking about, civilization. That is what we are talking about, democracy. That is what we call republicanism. You see how the police, they were just quietly here, guiding, protecting. Have you seen them kill anybody? Have you seen them with a rubber bullet or anything? In this situation, they understand that the people are angry, that people are devastated, that people are frustrated. But they still understand that we have to maintain the three important things, you know, aggressor. We have to control the situation whereby we will not have much aggressors. So that is what they are here, and you can see it. We are doing it peacefully, calmly, and we are strongly saying, free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, free Biafra, and see you again.
Britain, if I not live in Nnamdi Kanu, if I not live out smoke with the go, and I go confess say, we need a smile, we need a smile, because the person are blah blah they kill ourselves, but no, now be white they kill us. No, they kill us. Very soon we will start the fight on now. When I kind of from, I'm gonna give us Biafra or another thing will happen.
What are police doing here? Come,
I don't know. They push me. Let them push me.
Police are here to protect us.
If you push me, I go flag at this thing. Let me face. I want to start the fight here. We get time. We get time.
Men are angry. Men are angry. Men are angry. Men are angry. Spirit. Men are angry. Men are angry.
Go. See, this one, I make I tell you. Only this one, we don't finish them. We don't finish them. And anybody where no God, they call a small boy. Nnamdi Kanu na God. Nnamdi Kanu na God. Anybody where no God, they call a small boy. If you don't know God, you call a small boy. Make the reason before we go enter them. Now God, because we don't repeat what we talk. Thank Jehovah and Biafra. We carry power. Nobody carry power. Nobody carry power. And Biafra carry power. The whole world know that we carry power, and this power where we carry, nobody can stop us. No retreat, no surrender. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme ọkwa ihe mmụọ, onye anyị na-achụla aja bụ oke mmụọ.
Ihe anyị na-eme
aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ. Onye na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme ọ bụ ihe mmụọ. Onye anyị na-achụrụ aja bụ oke mmụọ. Ihe anyị na-eme bụ ihe mmụọ.
We are here in solidarity. We are here to protest against the illegal abduction, kidnapping of our leader Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, our leader. We are coming from a Kenyan embassy already. We have done the needful at the Kenyan embassy, and right now we are heading to British embassy to protest that our leader Nnamdi Kanu, which is being illegally abducted, must be released, because the way they kidnapped him, the way he was abducted, it is against the international community law. Now it is the obligation and the duty of the international community law to obey their law, not our law. Thank you very much. By releasing
that law, when was it made?
I cannot vividly.
1953.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, today we are out here for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. The zoo and the Kenyan government has no right to adopt or kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. This message goes out to the world. Biafrans are peace-loving people. All we want is referendum. We never called for any war or anything. We just want peaceful referendum, and that is it. So my people, please, if you're a Kenyan, this message goes out to you. Demonstrate for the corruption of your leaders, because they have no right to adopt Nnamdi Kanu. If you're a Kenyan and you know you love freedom and you're a peace-loving person, go straight, tell your government, go and protest that what they did is crime. The people that committed their crime should be brought to justice. They should be brought to justice to clear the Kenyan government's name and the Kenyans. If you're a Kenyan, go out and protest. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. What are you going to tell the intellectuals and the so-called South that say that people want to dominate them?
My message to the Fulefus is simple. If you're a Biafra, you know you're a bona fide Biafra. Your father, in fact, if you know you're a true Biafra, retire from your ways. Come back, support your people.
If they don't, what will happen to them?
If they don't, I will tell them one thing. One thing is
second circumcision. That their penis should be cut off. Because every saboteur, the penalty is death.
History will judge them.
The penalty is death. Every saboteur, the penalty is death.
History will judge every saboteur in Biafra land. If you know you are an affiliate, you're an elite, and you refuse to support what you're doing, we will never forget. History will judge you. That's all I'm saying. And if you are from the South, then you believe that you are not part of us, you are not your brothers, I will tell you this. The only people that you can mingle with and eat the same food and talk and live in peace with is the people from the Southeast. We are all brothers. We all be just. The British government has misled us, including we used to be like that.
What can you tell a common Nigerian about the protection we are having from the police on this protest?
Yes.
To compare with Nigeria.
As you can see today, look around you. You can see the
police. You can see the police walking behind us. No one is shooting at us. No one is kidnapping us. No one is forcing us for anything. We are just obeying and demonstrating peacefully, as you can see. Why can't we have this kind of peaceful demonstration back home? If we try this back home, you'll be gone from everywhere. The police will keep killing us. Why? Why, people? This is why every Biafran should support us. We're being marginalized in different ways, including our businesses, including socially, economically, otherwise. How